Here's a quick tip for credit repair. Start paying your bills on time. Remember, no one can legally remove accurate negative information from your credit report. In Georgia, operating a credit repair service that promises to do so is illegal. Many of you just need to create and stick to a budget. Credit repair isn't easy, but it is achievable. I did it by consistently paying my bills on time. And if you want to grow financially and be able to rent or even purchase a home, fix your credit. DIY credit repair requires patience, dedication, time, and determination. So if you are interested in fixing your credit yourself, I'm not a credit repair specialist. That's not what I do. I am a licensed Georgia real estate broker, but I can assist you in guiding you or leading you to the steps that you must take to fix your credit yourself. If you're interested, please click the link in my bio and set up a 15-minute consultation. I'll be love to help.